Hello, what is up, 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 what is up? It's been a long time. Welcome back to Chinilas Channel. So for this moment, we talk about may kita pa ba dito sa Lure 9? So, mayroon pa ba? So, kung mayroon, paano? At ito yung titingnan natin in between paano kumita dito sa trading hall, paano kumita dito sa mixed market. So, before, let's begin. So, kung bago lang kayo sa channel na to, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click na din yung like. Okay, first thing first. Paano ba kumita ng Dayas? That is the first question. So, paano ba i-maximize ang kita ng Dayas? So, how can we earn Dayas and how to maximize Dayas earning? So, I prepared Excel sheet here showing you how to maximizing price. It is worth it to sell our Dayas direct to PHP. As of now, we are talking about PHP rate. So, if you see here, I'm gonna zoom it large. Okay, so here we talk about the selling Dayas. We talk about which is better. We sell this Dayas direct to PHP, or for me is I'm from Philippines, that's why I'm using PHP. So for Dayas, for this video I'm playing on SBEN. The rate of Dayas here, the low rate of Dayas is 250 PHP, 200 pesos per 1k. So now if you see, if I sell my my tricky Dayas to PHP, so I got 750 pesos only. So see, because 250 is the rate of 1,000 Dayas. That's why I got 700 direct. So you give me, send me at the 750 pesos. So worth it ba? So worth it ba? So paano kung mag-buy and sell ka? That is the third question. How can we manage if we are using Dayas to make money for buy and selling an item to get this profit, some profit, or either a few profit. So few profit here is profit. Okay? Even the piso one, di ba? So, profit pa rin. So, kahit piso lang yan, profit pa rin. So, mayroon akong ginawa dito na simple analysis. I don't know if you understand this, but for me, ito lang yung capacity ko. That's why, yes. So, I understand what I'm doing. So, ito, mayroon na akong ditong item, which is this one. That item is here. The minting box. So, this is if you, kung magmimin ka ng box, what I mean is box like dark o accessories doon. Simple, ibinabox yan. So, that's why I'm gonna put here, minting box. So, this part, the column C, I'm, if minting, so if minting, Dayas price on trading. So this, if you are minting, this is the rate of trading cost. If you are minting item, okay. If you are trading, your investment Dayas is listed here. Like for example, so we're talking about later. So this is the Dayas rate. This is the PHP rate here, and then this is a next market by USDT rate. USDT rate, and this is the tax. If you sell some item on mixed market, you are deducted 13% of tax. The first percentage, the 10.5% is platform fee, which is 10.5%. The second fee is the content fee, which is the 2.5 USDT. That's why all of this is have 13%. So if you sell some item, it would be deducted 13%. So that's why I'm gonna put it here to calculate our net income. So I converted this item into PHP and I converted this to PHP, and the net income here I converted to in PHP rate. So I'm sorry for the other country, but I know you understand how can I do this. So maybe you can you copy this file and you change this rate, or maybe I've got some idea that I'm sharing to you. So now I'm here, I'm putting here this dismantling equipment. What I mean is temporal. So dismantling to temporal. So that's why I'm gonna put in here. So let's go. It is worth it. The question first is, it is worth it to sell my Dayas direct to PHP? Yes, of course. It is worth it. Always. Because this is the very easy way to change your Dayas into a real money, which is the 3,000 Dayas you have. It pay you 750 pesos. The 1,000, it pay you 250 pesos. So direct. So this is the option, the second option. If you want earn more or high, if you want earn high, invest your Dayas, not selling direct to the player. Sell them, convert them into item. So let's calculate. First, okay. Tingnan natin dito tayo magsisimula sa Dark O. Dark O rare, tier 3. Minting is 1,000 pieces or 1 box if I'm right. So let's see here, or we confirm Dark O. The Dark O here. That's Dark O is tier 3 is 1,000 Dark O. Common. This is a common one. So let's back. Okay, for Dayas minting, which let's find from trading cost how much dark O on mixed market. Let's see. Let's check. Go to consumable. I think here is the part here. Ability. Deluxe craft. Yeah, craft. So uncommon. Oh, the common one. This is the uncommon. Let's find out the common one. If you see here, some people, more of the people is selling 0.1076 dias per 1O. Dark O. So that's why ilalagay natin dito is lumalagpak ng 105. Tama ba? Kanina pa to. So 107 na dito. So let's check this. Sabihin natin 108 is the ratio. Okay, 108 per 1. So ngayon, ang 1,000 dark O times by this i-times mo dito. So ilang dias yung gagastusin mo? How much dias you need to invest to have 33 dark O? You need this 108 dias. If you see here, 1,000, you see my calculation, 1,000 times this one. Just multiply this two, and this is the output. So ngayon, mayroon ka ngayon investment na dias na 108 dias. Converted to PHP, mayroon kang investment na 27 pesos investment. So that is your investment, 27 pesos or 108 dias. So now, let's calculate. Punta tayo sa mixed market. Puntahan natin sa mixed market at tingnan natin yung dark O. Tama po. Catalyst dark O pair. Type na lang natin. Dark O tier 3. So simpre ilalagay natin dito yung pinaka lowest price. The lowest price is 43 or $0.71. So ilalagay natin tong $0.71 dito. So $0.71. Ito inedit natin. So now $0.71 this is the price of 33 dark O. So now let's convert. So this $0.71 before we sell this, magbabawas pa to, ibig sabihin babawasan pa to ng 13% tax. That's why ang magiging presyo mo maglalapag ng 71 pero ang makukuha mo lang doon is 0.58. 0.58 lang because of this tax. Okay? Less 13%. So ito na ngayon yung output. So I'm gonna converted this 0.58 into PHP which I have 34.80 pesos. So now, you calculate, maybe magkakaroon ka na ng idea or may profit ka na pa sa ceiling na to. If you see here, so dito tayo sa network. For PHP, kung mabinta ito, mabibinta siya ng 34.80 pesos. Ang investment mo is 27 pesos. So ibig sabihin, for 33 dark O, you got 7.80 PHP na net. Net na to kasi nabawasan na ng 13%. Pero, if you convert this into PHP, different topic na yan. So, all you have to do is, my advice is, don't withdraw or don't exchange this into PHP while you have, pag maliit pa lang. So, big kasi magko-consume ito ng gas fee. Okay? So, pwede din mo ito i-vice versa. So, maybe you have an idea, right? So, dito lang muna tayo from in-game to mixed market. This is the in-game to mixed market first. So, mayroon kang 7.8 nakita dito sa dark O. So, ngayon, ito is the what is this? The guide kung may kita ka ba o wala. So if you have net or none. Like for example this one. I got example the enhancement stone rear tier 1. So pag mag-mint ka dito 100 pieces lang. 100 pieces lang makakaterwang ka na enhancement stone. So ang presyo sa minting dias. So ang naging price niya is 1.1 dias per and each of this enhancement stone na rear. So, it cost 114 dias para sa tier 1 na enhancement stone. So, now, sa chinik ko na dito chinik ko na ito, ngayon pa lang, chinik ko na to, updated to chinik ko na dito sa mixed market, ang presyuhan yan is 0.54 dias, USDT. Ang presyo nitong tier 1. So, now, if you sell this into mixed market, it will deducted 13%. That's why you got 0.41 USDT na lang because of 13% tax. So if you just convert this 0.41 into PHP, you got 2460 pesos. So if you see here, my 14 dias, my 114 dias, it cost me 28 pesos. 20 pesos na yan ang 114 dias. So kung mapapansin mo sa net mo dito, negative. Diba? Negative ka. Ang investment mo is 28. Ang earning mo nang nabinta siya is 24. Negative ka dyan. So dito pa lang, makikita mo na before ka mag-invest, before ka magbenta sa market, may calculator ka na dito para hindi ka magkamali kung sino ba dito yung profitable or hindi. So, now, per item, you see, mayroon tayong sample na dark O, mayroon tayong enhancement stone. So sa enhancement stone, ang pro tip medyo wala pa kasi stock doon sa next market is itong epic and legendary stone. That's why I'm gonna put this as question mark. Pero pwede ka mag-input na doon, bumili ka sa next market, binta mo doon sa ano. Pwede ka may tubo na to kasi ikaw maglalagay ng price. You have your own price for this because this item is locked for the next market. Okay, punta tayo sa another version of selling. Dito tayo, wag na tayo dito sa Catalyst. Is just only the same as this accessories and dark O and other one. So punta tayo dito sa temporal earning, temporal minting. Temporal minting. For this video, I'm gonna make a sample or tier 3 temporal. So we gonna crop or mint or find the price if we are crop it for this T3 temporal. So for T3 temporal, if you gonna mint it, it costs 10,000 temporal stone. So for 10,000 temporal stone, you need to craft 30. So now, let's go. We have sample here, a rare and the epic one item. So for the epic one, or the rare one, if you dismantle the rare item, it maybe this is the ratio. It 80 to 97 pieces each item. For the epic one, we got 400 to 478 rate. So I'm gonna put this here as minimum. Maybe I know you have some discarte, maybe, or idea how to make this higher. Yeah, you are old enough to find this. So maybe I'm gonna put make some video for this separate. So now, ilalagay lang we're gonna put the minimum rate 82 for the rare, 410 for the epic one. Okay, let's go. So material, tier 1. So because my sample is tier 3, let's go here in minting tier 3. So for the minting tier 3, you need 122 pieces of rare item para magkaroon ka ng to have this 10k pieces temporal. Okay, right. So 122. If you dismantle epic item, you need 24 pieces only. Okay, this is the question. How much is the Dayas price on buying rare item? How much is the price buy Dayas in buying epic? Okay, upon checking for the rare is the one rare, it costs 10 Dayas. Just 10 Dayas. Every server, ganun talaga bumagsak ang mga rare item because many are playing bot. Ang bot na dito nagpa-drop na agad. That's why. So dito, ang pinakamababang price, the lowest price of epic if you can check, is 20 Dayas. 20 Dayas only. That is the lowest price of epic I've seen on next market. We find out. Just go here. Okay, trade, filter it to epic. Go to here, like for example, truth. If you see here, to him, policy. The lowest price here is 20 Dayas. So that's why this is my I got this I got this price to have my calculation. So let's go. So 20 Dayas. So now you need for the real one, you need 122. So 122 times 10 Dayas. So it costs 1,219 Dayas to get this 10k temporal. Okay? So high. So mataas. Logi ka dito. Okay? Logi ka dito. For sure. So that's why nilagay ko lang siya dito para ma-anticipate, to identify, to understand saan kayo mag-invest, or where did we invest. So dito tayo sa epic. 20 pesos o 20 Dayas for 24 pieces para makuha mo ang 10k temporal. Okay. Tama ba? Okay, ito. So, ang rate niya is kawa nga na, ano ko, parang duda ko eh. Okay. So sa rate is 410. Ang rate mo per 1 epic. So 410 times mo siya sa 24 pieces. 410 times 24. Okay, di nga ako nagkamali. Ayan. Okay. So, ito na. So, 24 pieces. Bibili ka ngayon ng tig 20 Dayas each. It costs 487 Dayas only. This is your investment. So, got this 10k temporal. 488 Dayas. If you sell this 488 Dayas, it costs 122 pesos lang. Okay, that's when nilalagay ko, I'm gonna put the PHP price and the USDT price. Hope na hindi ka ma-confuse this. Hope you cannot confuse. Okay, dito na tayo. 480 Dayas. Nakuha na natin. So, bumili ka na ngayon ng 24 epic item, dinismantle mo na siya, at mayroon ka ng Dayas. Now, mayroon ka ng T3 na temporal. Temporal. Isi-sell mo siya ngayon sa next market. Punta tayo sa next market. Type tayo dito ng temporal. T3, 10k pieces. Magkano ba? It costs, the price is 2.09 USDT. Let's check here how much my okay. Tama ba to? Ito yung price sa market kanina. So ngayon is, pinakababa is 2.09. Tama ba? The same pa rin. 2.09. So 2.09, kung ibibinta mo siya sa mixed market, lalapag na lang siya ng $1.97 because of this 13% tax. Okay, ilan na lang ito? Let's convert this into the PHP1. So 1.97, so mayroon ka na lang 117.60 pesos. So ilan ba ang profit mo dyan? Itong 117 pesos, list mo sa investment mo na 112, mayroon kang 239 pesos na tubo. Right? So nakuha mo ba yun? Kuha mo ba yun? $4, di ba? Nandito. Pansin mo, $4 USDT. See? This is the price and this is the tax. So convert this into 60. Okay, for some is using USDT. Focus 60. My goodness. Point kasi. Okay, $0.5. You got $0.5 net para sa temporar. So item ngayon naman pag-uusapan natin. Profitable ba itong item? Selling item kung profitable ba. Let's see. So as of this, mayroon akong nilagay dito. Asam is in S, Q plus tax fee. So tingnan natin dito. Price is the plus 81 is 2,400. Q and the tax fee. Asam. So 2,400 dayas. So let's gonna put the price here. 2,500 dayas. 2,500 dayas. It cost 625 kung piso yung pag-uusapan natin. Kaya mong binta yan for 625 because of 250 rate. Okay now, pupunta tayo dito sa next market price. Let's see, magkano ba itong asam na Q tax fee? Okay, dito, Pipon, Battle Shield, Sword and Shield, Q anak tax fee. Lowest price here is plus 7. So plus 7 siya. So kung papalo siya dito plus 9, mas iba yung presyo. Pero ang rate niya is umaabot almost the same. So sabihin natin is $34. Sabihin natin $35. So dito tayo, this rate ang ipapalo natin. So let's follow this rate, $35. Back to Excel. Yan na put here, price 30, how much? $35. So $35. So $35, if you sell it to next market, malalapag na lang siya ng $34.37 because of tax. Okay now, $34. So convert this $34 into the PHP, 2,092, right? So ngayon, magkano ba ang binta mo? So ngayon, kung ibibenta mo lang ngayon yung temporal mo at 2,500, mabibenta lang siya. If you sell 2,500 guys, you got 625 pesos only. But if you sell your dayas through mixed market, you got 1,467 in 2,500 dayas. See the difference? See the difference? So this is what I said, slow moving item. So it called slow moving item because we want an expensive one. So paano mabinta mo ng mura? So like for example, ibenta mo kaya to sa pinsin mo. Mixed market sell is 35 dayas plus 7. So this asam is plus 8, right? How about if you sell it into $30? See? How much net you have? You have 1,000. You have 1,000 plus pa. May 1,000 plus ka pa posing. Ba yan pinsin mo 1,100. So kung pipili ka ng dayas na 1,000 ang rate, umaabot ka ngayon ng 1. So sabihin natin, negative ka ba? Negative ka ba? Hindi dito nag-negative eh. Pansin mo, ang investment ko lang for the PHPs is 625. Pero tumubo ka ngayon, ito ngayon yung tubo. Pansin mo, less. So, bawasan natin ito. So ngayon yung puhunan mo. Pabawasan natin ng 600, ito ngayon yung tubo. So, mahina lang siya. Parang slow moving item, pero yung profit mataas. Kasi weapon yan, mabagal talaga bumagsak ang price ng weapon. So that's all. I hope na nagkaroon kayo ng idea how to make money in this game. So sinasabi natin, bagsak na ba si Lord 9? No, not yet. Even though may mga bootstrap, pero hindi pa siya bagsak. Kasi nakikita natin dito sa rate natin, mayroon pang mga item na mataas pa rin yung value. Lalo na yung mga item na importante like temporal, like weapon, and so on and so forth. I hope nakatulong sa inyo idea how to make this shit, profitable. So, I hope yung mga pay-to-play natin dyan makakuha ng idea paano tayo dito income sa Lord 9. So, that's all. That's all for today's video. I hope nakatulong sa iyo. Once again, like I've said before, Pinilas out. Bye-bye!